I absolutely love a good puff sleeve. They've been seen all over the red carpets and runway this year. So don't shy away from the trend. Embrace it with your DIY puff sleeves and all. It's easy. So today we're gonna add puff sleeves to an old t-shirt. Let's get started. You'll need a t-shirt, coordinating fabric, your Brother PS500 sewing machine, scissors, and straight pins. First, to make the puff sleeve pattern, take a basic short sleeve pattern, draw 4 lines from the top of the pattern equal distance apart to create quarters. Cut those lines almost to the edge. On a separate piece of pattern paper, I like to use wrapping paper. Spread the 4 pieces open and tape in place. Now, trace around the new pattern, leaving a small seam allowance, and cut out the new pattern. Opening the top of your original pattern will create volume to make the puff. Next, turn the shirt inside out and cut off the sleeves of your t-shirt. Pin your new pattern on a double layer of fabric and cut it out. Now, let's prep the new puff sleeve. I like to zigzag or serge the edges so they don't fray. Sew a base stitch or use a loose stitch setting on your sewing machine around the top curve of your sleeve. There's no need to backstitch because you want the thread loose to pull and cinch for the gather. From your stitch, pull 1 loose thread to create a gather at the top of the sleeve. Pin your gathered sleeve into the shoulder armhole with wrong sides together and sew in place. You'll do the same for the other sleeve. Turn the sleeves right side out. And there you have it, a refashioned t-shirt with new puffy sleeves.